In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a reusable system you can spin up in seconds for any project. We'll start by planning. Before you build anything, decide what this template is for: project management, a content calendar, a simple CRM, or inventory tracking. From there, outline the tables you'll need, like tasks, projects, or clients, and list the fields for each table. Think about field types: single line text for titles, long text for notes, attachments for files, single select for status, checkboxes for quick flags, dates for deadlines, and formulas if you need calculations. Also choose the views you'll rely on, such as grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, or a form for intake. A quick sketch of how the tables relate, like tasks linking to projects, will save you a lot of time once you start building. Next, create a new base. Open Airtable, click Add a Base, and choose Start from Scratch. Give your base a clear name that reflects its purpose, like Project Tracker Template, and optionally choose a color and icon so it's easy to spot later. Now set up your tables. Add tables as needed and name them logically. In each table, add your fields. Use single-line text for names, long text for detailed descriptions, attachments for files, single select for status or categories, and linked records to connect tables, like linking each task to a project. Keep field names short, clear, and consistent across tables so the template is easy to reuse. Customize your views to match how you work. Open the Views menu in each table and create a few perspectives. Grid is your all-purpose spreadsheet-style view. Kanban helps you track workflow by status. Calendar shows items by date, perfect for due dates and publishing schedules. Gallery is great for visual items. Add filters and sorting so each view shows only what matters. For example, a Kanban view in your tasks table can be filtered to show only in progress tasks, sorted by priority. Quick note: there's a link at the top of the description to the Airtable website and apps, so you can access it easily and follow along. When your base is ready, save it as a template by clicking Share in the top right and choosing Create a Shared Base link. This lets you preserve a clean version. To reuse it, open your template, click Duplicate Base, rename it, and you're ready to go. This approach keeps your setup consistent across projects and saves tons of time. Thanks for watching.